Alrighty, hi everybody, it's Coffee Pyre here, and I wanted to take a trip down the rabbit hole. Alrighty, so I got in the mail this lovely box, and it looks, I can't show you what it looks like, but the first thing you see when you open it is this, and it's a thank you card. And then we have this, and it has a list of everything that's in the spooky box. They send you a bunch of random things themed every month. This one's the bat one. It's the first one from January. I'm getting more of them. I have several in the mail, and then I have 3 more coming in. And then starting the alien one is when I'll be getting them on the monthly. So I'm super excited for those. It's got, okay, I can show you the really purple packaging. And then, oh, what was that? Oh, hello. It's cute. It just fell out. Okay. And it says here on the bottom, I hope you love your ghoulish goodies. You helped raise money for bat conservation this month. Thank you, Sarah. So that's really nice. They do donations for part of what you get here. And so let's dig in, shall we? Alrighty, so this over here. First we have Night Flight Bat wall decals. They're so cute. This is what the front looks like. Put them on the wall and decorate it for you guys. We also have extra sour cola lollipop. Get a lollipop each time. So I have rotten teeth. Let's see. Ooh, we have the Spooky Box Club sticker. Just look at the packaging. Oh, that's cute. I have to make a cute things of all the stickers they give you. Oh, what is this? It's got bats in little cemetery. I don't know why I said cemetery. Coffins and tombstones. English, I'm not very good at. That's my one and only language. And then we have this pouch. Let's see what's in this pouch. Ooh, it's a necklace. Ooh, it's the moon. That is so pretty. Just, can I fit this? Almost. We'll just, there we go. Put that there. Bounce that one so we don't need that. We have this little baggie. It's got stars and purple. Ooh, there's a bat in it. It's a little brooch. It just brooch things. I can't get that out because there's a little brooch in there. That is cute and adorable. What's next? Oh, it's got a bat baby pin. That's so cute. And can I strip you of your ribbon? I'm keeping that. Let's make a collage of Spooky Bat Club. Spooky Box Club. Bat Club. Same thing. Almost. Get the purple paper out of the way. And then, oh, that's so going on the wall. This little cheer sign, but it says creepy. I'm getting very weird with you guys, but hey. Alright, what's next? We have this, and it says, "We are the night" on a little sticker, and it's got a little bat on it. So, as I open this, try to see what's there. Yes. So, I am using pillows to prop my camera, which is actually my phone right now, and this is the lighting my room has. Doing anything is like anyways, I opened it. This is Bat Protection League. Little patch. The ones that you can like iron on, because it's got the sticky side. But it's a patch. Oh my gosh, it's cute. And Smarty McSmartpants. Let's save my sticker. Okay, and then there is one thing I think left. in this box. Take the ribbon. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Oh, it's a tote bag. Look at that. It's got bats and flowers on it. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's just go. Go. It's so big and nice. Shazam! Awesome. Alrighty. So, let me read everything off to you guys. We have the screen printed creepy wall pennant. So, I guess that's our little creepy thing. That thing. And then the giant vinyl clear sticker for the Spooky Box Club. We have the cute pewter and crystal bat brooch. This Night Flight 3D bat wall decals. This little guy right here. We have the Vampy nail art decals. Those. Didn't know those were nails. Cool. Bat Protection League embroidered pouch. Or patch, not pouch. For that one. That's really hard to see. Can you guys see that? Is that better? The full moon pendant, as I have lovely put on my face. Bats and Carnivorous Plants luxury tote bag. Oh! It's got the Venus flytrap. Oh, that makes it 10 times better. That's like my favorite plant. Right up there with roses and daisies. Gourmet handcrafted extreme cola lollipop. So that is everything on here today. I will see you guys next time. Probably another box opening. And have a wonderful day.